Here's another example from the slideshow, and this is working with systems of equations and matrices. So I've got standard form x, y equals a single number. Same thing for my second equation. I only have two variables, so this will work. So I'm going to set up my three matrices. Matrix 1 is again a 2 by 2. It's holding all of the coefficients. So my coefficient here is 10. This is going to be a coefficient of negative 10. Coefficient of negative 2, and positive 9. My next matrix is just x and y. Again, if I carry out this multiplication, I would get 10x minus 10y, which is exactly what I have here, and then minus 2x plus 9y, which is exactly what I have here. My last matrix is a 2 by 1 of negative 10 and 2. Before I get any further, I'm going to set up my matrices in my calculator. So this will be matrix A, and this will be matrix B. And to set it up, I'm going to turn my calculator on, clear some stuff out. Second, x to the negative 1 gets me my whole menu. I need to go over to Edit, and I'm going to edit A. It is going to be a 2 by 2, and then I'm going to have 10, negative 10, negative 2, and 9. I'm going to quit, go back into my menu, edit, B. B is in fact going to be a 2 by 1. It'll be this here, negative 10 and 2. So 2, 1, negative 10, enter, 2, enter. All of that looks good, so I'm going to get out of there. And remember, this is really what I have right now. I need to get my matrix A away from this left side, and I can't divide by matrix A. I don't have any such thing as matrix division, but I can multiply it by its inverse, which will make this go away. It becomes the matrix equivalent of 1. And that's legal as long as I multiply over here that same inverse matrix. Well, if I look at this really quickly, my B is a 2 by 1. My inverse for A will be a 2 by 2. I cannot do this multiplication, not in this order. But can I do the inverse times B? Well, this is going to be a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 1. My inners match, 2 by 2. My outers tell me my dimension of my answer, which would be a 2 by 1. So I know that once I do this, I'm going to end up with x, y equals some sort of a 2 by 1 matrix. Well, what that matrix is going to be depends on what I do with this in my calculator. So I need to do inverse of A times B. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. And so I'm going to do second x to the negative 1. I'm going to do my A inverse first, which is going to get me a whole mess of stuff, but that's okay. I'm leaving all of that in the calculator, and I'm going to hit times, and then I'm going to go in and grab matrix B. And I get the answer negative 1, 0. That is my answer matrix here, which means that the values of x and y that make this system of equations up here true is going to be x equals negative 1 and y equals 0.